Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is tarw, which means bull. Tarw, as in yr hen ben tarw, the old bull's head. Tarw, bull.